What's up, guys? So today we're at the 2020 Western Hunting and Conservation Expo here in Salt Lake City. I'm at the TACTICAM booth. I'm here with Rudy, and he's going to talk to you guys a little bit about the TACTICAM product and what it's all about.
Hey guys, thank you for stopping by. So TACTICAM is a 4K camera. It's a very easy camera to use, one-touch operation. Just makes filming your hunts that much more easy. We have different styles of mounts, so you can mount it to your bow, your crossbow, your shotgun, your AR-15. And then when deer season comes around, we have the film through scope system that allows you to use that 4K camera right through your rifle's scope. So now you can film in 4K out to 1,000 yards or beyond. So we're really excited about our lineup this year, guys.
Yeah, that's awesome. Definitely.
So we're on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Go check us out, TACTICAM.com. And we'll get you guys to share your hunts. So.
Okay, yeah, for sure. You guys definitely need to check out this product. One thing that I've been striving to do for the channel and for our social media is I'm trying to get more kill shots, trying to make things interesting and show you guys really what we're experiencing on the hunt. And I think this could exactly be the tool that we need to do that. So make sure you guys go check them out. Like you said, TACTICAM.com. All their links will be down in the description, so feel free to go check them out and see if you like their product.
Okay, thank you guys.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
Thanks so much for tuning in today as we talked about the TACTICAM 5.0. Make sure you guys go over to TACTICAM.com and check this product out. Feel free to drop a like and subscribe.